आज लेबर डे आणि इट इज अ वर्ल्ड एक्लेम डे म्हणजे जे वर्करांक मान सन्मान मेळपा जाय ते बाबतींत आज एक दीस आसा. वी हॅव टू रेकग्नायज द सर्विस ऑफ द लेबर. आज लेबर मेळ्ळा जायत भाशेन जालां. आज वी हॅव गॉट मायग्रंट लेबर, वी हॅव गॉट लोकल लेबर, वी हॅव गॉट, बट द फॅक्ट रिमेन्स दॅट ते नाय जाल्यार आमगे सोसायटी चलपाना. कितें बारीकशी वस्ती गार्बेज जावं कितें एक घरांतूं काम करपाक, जावं एक फॅक्टरीन काम करपाक, जावं एक कॉर्पोरेटान काम करपाक. We will require workers. We have to respect the sentiments of the workers. We have to give them their dues. We have to fight for their rights. It is our duty, as an elected representative, to protect the rights of the workers, and which we have always done. Workers, if the issues are there, assembly raise it, and henceforth also, whatever issues are there, we will raise them. We wish our workers good health, happiness. We wish them, whatever their troubles may be. We wish that justice may be delivered to them in whatever small way possible. I pray that the Almighty always helps them in all their needs, and especially in their times of difficulty. Because workerange difficulty, workerange what issues are the workerango khabar ha dusre khabar. So again, wishing all the workers happy Workers' Day, Labor Day, and not only that, wish them all success, happiness for them and